Hey guys, before the video starts, I'd just like to say thanks for stopping by. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you like the video. Thanks.
Senator Organa, it's been a while.
Building a republic is busy work.
So is chasing after an Imperial fleet.
It's about to get busier, Commander. I need a favor. One of our generals has gone missing. I tracked him to Takodana, but he isn't answering his call. I need you to find Han Solo.
Hey, Maz. Pour me another Parkellen sling.
Not until you pay for the last one.
Come on, you know I'm good for it.
I don't know that you're good for anything. Where's my Wookiee?
Chewie's working on the Falcon. Long-range communicator took a hit back on Jomar.
You never bring him around anymore.
You make him nervous.
You two are up to something. Spit it out. You know all business goes through me.
I'm meeting an Imperial turncoat. Says he can help us free the Wookiees back on Kashyyyk. You seen him?
I swear, if you bring the Empire to my doorstep...
You know I always cover my tracks. Come on now. Help me out. Help Chewie.
I don't know your man, but it is late, and you may find that this crowd is talkative.
Thanks, Maz. I owe you one.
You owe me more than that, Han Solo. And don't you forget it.
All those flight hours at Sky Strike Academy for what? Just to get kicked out and end up here? Stupid Empire.
The Republic doesn't care about you, neither does the Empire. Choose your side wisely.
There's only one side.
Your side.
Parati! Good to see you! Listen, pal, I'm looking for a friend named Paldora. You know him?
After you left me stranded during the Zerka job? Not a chance.
Come on, it all worked out. It must have, 'cause here you are.
Back off. Find your Paldora on your own. You two can talk about your stupid beards.
So he's a bearded guy. Got it.
Dejarik requires half the tactical thinking of something like Cubicut. The simplicity of getting those blades where they need to be makes me feel like a genius.
You're gonna sell me the ship for my price, and I'm not gonna put a hole in your gut. That's the deal. I sincerely recommend you take it as offered. Take your time to think about it. Carefully.
Hey, Mr. Paldora. Long time no see. My Wookiee pal was just asking about you.
You must be confusing me with that insufferable man upstairs.
My mistake.
It's just a race. You can do this. One quick tune-up and you can take the championship.
Still moving cargo for Black Sun?
Yeah, Idarim is prosperous to say the least. Hiring like you wouldn't believe. I got access to muscle if you need a connection.
Follow my own lead, Tolo, but I'll keep that in mind. Thanks.
You know, you look just like a friend of mine, name of Paldora.
You think I look like that idiot drinking Marinzane Gold?
He can afford to drink Marinzane Gold?
Must be nice, right?
I've never actually met a Wookiee, but I've read all about them. They're absolutely
Fascinating. Did you know they live in trees?
Han Solo! I'm Imperial Specialist Ralcius Paldora. It is a pleasure to finally meet you.
Shh. You want to keep it down?
Oh, right. Because we're meeting incognito.
Come on. We need to get you out of here.
Off we go then. I have the information you asked for. Not on me, of course. I've hidden 2 data cubes in the woods. For safety.
You've got to be kidding me.
The first one has Imperial shipping routes, fueling locations, hidden armaments. It's all for the Republic, in exchange for safe passage and asylum.
What about your Kashyyyk intelligence?
It's in a separate location. Trust me, I have everything you need to free the Wookiees.
Tell me how you...
Oddly enough, most statisticians are killed by apprentice statisticians. Oh dear.
Friends of yours?
I assume this is your fault?
Usually is.
What's my #1 rule, Solo?
No fighting. Come on. We gotta move.
I stashed the first data cube at a generator just ahead.
You really couldn't bring the intel with you, huh?
Mr. So, I'm a covert agent now.
Stormtroopers, stay quiet. We gotta take them out.
No.
Don't get too close.
I never learned to shoot.
Great.
Get them, Han Solo! I can't watch! Oh, but I can't stop!
Come on!
Do you know Stormtroopers only land 77% of blaster shots? Oh, I'm having such fun!
Piece of junk! Fire!
It's them! Impressive, Han Solo!
The data cube is here. Somewhere.
Nothing here. Got it.
The intelligence on that data cube should help your friends in the Republic. Look out! More of them! Please don't be dead! That one has heavy weapons!
I'm on it! Don't touch it! Where's the Kashyyyk intelligence?
Stored near a lovely shrine just through the forest. Onward!
You must have good intel if they're sending this many troopers after you.
The Empire is in worse shape than anyone realizes. They're terrified the Republic will find out. The fleet is burning more fuel flying away from your attacks than it can resupply. 1 in every 148 Imperial officers surrender seeking asylum. Our starfighter numbers are down 3.4%.
That's all great, but what about Kashyyyk? Are you sure your information can help the Wookiees?
It will get you on the planet. But what does the Republic plan to do?
Not much, but me and Chewie will shut down those labor camps alone if we have to.
I'll just be over here. Safe and sound.
This is too much just to catch one guy.
Fire!
Yeah, it could work.
Yes! Nicely done, my new friend!
Top job! What a shot! Oh, just marvelous!
intel.
I'll find it.
Well, it's obviously not there. Why would I leave it in that?
You're not helping. Found it. Reinforcements. Get down.
Getting down.
Learn to shoot, huh?
Yes. That should help get you onto the Wookiee planet. Now, to your famous Falcon.
You know the Falcon.
On average, I'd say 2.2 of every 300 Imperials knows the Millennium Falcon.
Anyone else hear that? Get the Falcon ready. We gotta get out of here quick. What do I do? Found it. Reinforcements. Get down.
Getting down.
Yes. That should help get you onto the Wookiee planet. Now, to your famous Falcon.
You know the Falcon.
Yeah. On average,
I'd say 2.2 of every 300 Imperials knows the Millennium Falcon.
let them
Got a big one coming for you!
Get the Falcon ready. We gotta get out of here quick. Found it. Reinforcements. Get down.
Getting down. Onto the Wookiee planet. Now, to your famous Falcon.
You know the Falcon.
Yeah. On average, I'd say 2.2 of every 300 Imperials knows the Millennium Falcon.
Get ready! Stand your ground!
Imperial Heavy!
Get ready!
Get the Falcon ready. We gotta get out of here quick.
What do I do?
Shut up and run, would you, pal? I'll hold them off. Just get this ship ready to fly.
Wish me luck.
Heavy ahead, Mr. Solo!
What do I do?
Shut up and run, would you, pal? I'll hold them off. Just get this ship ready to fly.
Rocket launcher ahead!
What do I do?
Shut up and run, would you, pal? I'll hold them off. Just get this ship ready to fly.
Riot Trooper! Keep him away! Heavy Trooper! Another shuttle coming in! Look out!
You're right, Chewie. Today is not my favorite day.
Got a big one coming for you! What a wonderful stroke of luck!
Hey! Maybe today's not so bad after all.
General Solo, this is Aiden Versio. Inferno Squad is here to help.
Boy, am I glad to see you. What brings you out here, Commander?
You do, General. Senator Organa sent us.
I take it back, Chewie. This is the worst day imaginable.
You're clear on the ground, but we got bad guys and ties on the way.
Just once it would be nice if they didn't put up a fight.
Where's the fun in that, General?
I don't care if Maz is on the comm. I don't want to talk to her right now.
Han Solo.
Hey, Maz.
I always cover my tracks. That's what you said. Now there are ships over my lake.
I can explain.
Don't explain. Just leave this mess. I would never blame you, Chewbacca. General, we're focusing fire on that cruiser. You with us?
Yeah, let's put him in the bottom of the lake. Oh, Maz won't like that at all.
Inferno Squad, form up on me. Enemy starfighter headed for General Solo.
I see him. Proton torpedoes are ready. Excessive. Unaffected. You don't see many of those cruisers around anymore. Not after that shipyard assault a year back. This YT-1300 freighter you've got is something. but its hyperdrive fails 1.22 times more often than the 2400 model. Chewie, get him out of my cockpit. No, wait, I'll behave. That's one tie down. Shrimp, enemy on your rear. Take him down, please.
I see him. Firing. You're clear.
Thanks, Aiden.
That did the trick.
Nice. One to go.
Got him.
That had better be the last of them, Solo.
I told you I'd take care of it.
Get out of here already. Just get out. Nice shooting, General. Let's get you back to the fleet.
Actually, I've got something else in mind. Chewie's sending the coordinates now.
Roger that. See you there.
Just be sure you do come back.
Don't worry. You can't get rid of us that easily. She's all yours, Commander.
I'm telling you, Gal, whatever you did to this droid, it's not right. I just fixed it. You can't blame me if it likes you now.
Inferno Squad. Shriv, I haven't seen you since Lando volunteered you for this. How you been?
Wonderful, Senator.
What's on your mind, Commander?
According to Peldora's intel, my father has been running operations on Bespin and Sullust. I'd like your permission to find him and capture him.
You don't report to me, Aiden.
Fleet Command might not approve us undertaking such a personal mission.
Ah, well, we can't have an Imperial Admiral out there reinforcing the fleet, can we? I'd appreciate you bringing him in, Commander.
Yes, ma'am.
And may the Force be with you.